Hey guys, it's Keisha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, but I'm going to come back and I'm going to come bring you guys some cool ways to make money. What you'll notice over the next month or 2 months, the channel will be kind of changing. It'll still be me, but it's going to be a more focus on side hustles, entrepreneurship, and I'll still do jobs, but we'll just be making some changes, and I hope you guys like them. I appreciate you guys being subscribed. I appreciate y'all sticking in with me. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms. Make sure you subscribe right now and hit that notification button so every time I upload a video, you're in the know. Listen, this opportunity I talked on my channel, so if you've been following me for a while, you've heard me talk about this company. I want to tell all the moms and the dads and all those who you're not moms and dads, how you can make some quick cash right before the holidays and buy your Christmas gifts, okay? You know, moms, dads, we're buying all these games, these video games, these toys. Well, listen, you can make some cool extra money before the holidays and, hey, use the money that you earn from doing this cool opportunity to get your kids Christmas toys. So I've done it 2 years in a row. It's something that I like to do. It's not a problem to do. It's easy to do. I just do it at my convenience and when I'm out and about. So listen, let me just tell you about this company. It's called Product Tube, okay? And Product Tube is a company where they send you projects and you do the projects. They're usually in store. So I'll say 90% of them are in store, okay? I stopped doing it when the pandemic hit just because we weren't going out as much. But now that we have some idea what's going on, I've been doing it just recently. So if you look here, as you can see on August 9th, I did something, and these are what I was rewarded. Rewarded $10, $5, $10, and $60, okay? So I don't go out my way to go to these stores. Most of these stores are usually close to me. I don't pick anything where I got to get on the freeway and drive over. So what they do is send you assignments. Let me just show you projects. These are 2 pending projects right now. So it comes in new. I've already accepted it, so it's here. And then once you complete it, it goes here, okay? So let's go to accept it. I've accepted these 2 projects. This particular project I'll probably do today before I pick up my son because I don't live far from a Walmart, okay? So let me click on it so I can just tell you what it's about. So they go through all these different things when you're out in the store, you know, just because we're still being mindful and wearing our may or may not be wearing our mask or social distancing. They just give you this disclaimer. They tell you what to do here. We want to see what you see. Keep your camera pointed toward the aisle. Do not record a selfie video. We want to hear what you're thinking. Narrate your shopping process as you shop. Make sure you read all through all of the instructions before recording. So for this video, you need to be asked to show us your shopping list, right? So you can make your shopping list before you go. You need to put at least 10 items on the shopping list, okay? If you have added back to school list in the app, in the app, so you can go here. You can go here to shopping list and add your shopping list in the app, or you can just take a picture and upload it. I did the first couple, I took a picture and uploaded. Then the other ones I added to here. It's however you want to do it. You can take a picture and upload it. You can handwrite it and upload it, or you can type it in, I believe in here. I didn't do all that. I took a picture and uploaded it. That's pretty much what I did. So that's that. So let's go back to that project. Okay. So here's the project. For this video, you'll be asked to show us your shopping list, which we went through that. Okay, so you must shop at least one of the following types of disinfectant products. So this has to be something that maybe wasn't on your list, but maybe, hey, we can use some disinfectant. It's good to be stocked up. So say you're getting disinfectant wipes. You're going to review these disinfectant wipes, right? Or you're going to do the spray, or you're going to do the laundry sanitizer or fabric disinfectant. So you got to review all these things I buy, so this makes sense for me. Your video must be completed at one of the following retailers made at the retailer. Kroger and Walmart are right by me. So I'm going to go to Kroger and I'm going to do this. Video made at any Kroger affiliate stores will not be accepted. It has to be the original Kroger, the original Dollar General, okay? You will be rewarded $5 bonus for completing it at Kroger. That's why I'm going to Kroger, so I want 15. Please start your video before you enter the store and answer the following questions. So when I'm outside in the parking lot, this is where this video will start, okay? We'd like to hear about your current situation regarding the COVID, okay? As you prepare for fall 2021 school year. This should be easy for parents to do, or if you are a teacher, or if you are a substitute, or whatever, and you a grandparent and you're picking up your items for your grandchildren or a friend, you can do this video. There's no reason why you can't do this. Okay. Now, before this video was sent to me, I think you have to qualify. So they'll ask you some qualifying questions to see if you fit the criteria to do this video, okay? So sometimes before you just can accept a video, it'll say apply, and they'll have specific questions that they're gonna ask you. Ask them, answer them according to what's going on with you. I've gotten used to answering the questions. I know what they want to hear from me. You'll learn as you go along what they want to hear from you for you to get assignments, okay? So they want you to please start by showing your list of back to school items. If you uploaded it into the thing, you don't have to show it. If you didn't, if you have it handwritten, show it and let them see it. And you have to put the ID number. So you have to put the ID number, which is Z69 E11689. If you can see that top, it says closes August 12th. It gives you the project number. That's the project number. That has to be the shopping list. So you say my shopping list, and then you will put that project number, and then you put the things that's on your list, right? Then you would say, maybe at the end you picked, because they want to see, let's see, go back. They want you to shop from the disinfectant wipes, disinfectant sprays, and I would just hit up, if they're nearby and I don't have a problem reviewing these products, I'm going to hit up probably everyone in the category and talk about it, because I need these things anyway. So quickly, let me just tell you what you're going to do. Which type of products are you planning to buy today? Do you have any specific brand or sizes and disinfectant products that you look? So you talk about what you would normally buy. If you tell us yes, which specific brand or size do you have in mind today? Do you normally buy these disinfectant products? If you do normally buy these products, what has changed about your usage, amount, occasions, and surface? Of course, we're probably using all these disinfectants way more than we ever used them before. If anything, tell us why. Are there any new products that catch your eye? So they want to see if there's something new, which a lot of times you go to the store because a lot of people have stepped into different arenas. Now that we need more of these items, you'll see new products, which like Dawn has a disinfectant wipe now, and I bought it when I went to the store the other day before I got this assignment, because I just wanted to see how different it was from the Clorox and all the other brands. So you want to see if there's anything products up there, and maybe talk about, hey, you might end up buying it, right? So if you're looking for new products you've already heard of, how did you hear about it, right? So if it's a product that you've been using for a year, can you remember how you heard about it? Or was it just because it was in demand, you needed something, it was the only thing on the shelf, and you ended up liking it? Or your sister told you to buy it. So what helps you make your purchase decision today? Now listen, you do not have to purchase anything if you don't need it. You can review the product and just share what makes, if you do purchase it, what makes you make your purchase. If you don't buy it, then don't. So follow the instructions here. You guys, this is some easy cash that you can make to save. I'm not buying any Christmas gifts this year. Whatever I earn from this opportunity will be what my son gets for Christmas. And last year was enough, or the year before last, it was enough for me to get my niece and my nephew a gift. So, hey, I'm Side Hustle Keisha, and I wanted to bring you guys a cool opportunity to make some extra money another way, another stream of income. And now they come and go. The assignments are come and go, but the more you do them, I think the more they like you, the more they send you projects, okay? You guys have a great day. I'll see you in my next video. Stay connected. When you see the changes that we're going to be making on this channel, stay connected, share with a friend. Drop a comment below. Leave me what comments you think. I just want to help. I know a lot of people are still going through some changes during this time. Here's another opportunity for you to make money. Again, they send you the money via Amazon dollars. So we all shop on Amazon. We all have spent a lot of money probably over the last 16, 18 months on Amazon. So it's a cool way to get what you need. You can get groceries with the Amazon money. You can get toys. You can get clothes. So it's up to you. Whatever you need it for, you can spend it on. They send it to you. They reward it to you. And I'll go back to my rewards so you guys can see. So I can redeem now, right? Because I can have 70 that's sitting there, but I think they've already sent me 25. Okay, so I can redeem it now, and then you just select all the money, because you want to select all the money, and they're going to send you an email and say your money's available via Amazon, and then you go to Amazon, upload the gift card that was sent, and you spend it. Okay, so you guys have a great day, and thank you for watching my video. Make sure you tell a friend. Okay, bye-bye. Make sure you subscribe, drop a comment below, tell me how I did. I haven't been around in a while. Welcome back, Keisha. Great job. Love your enthusiasm. Give me some comments below. Okay, see you in the next video. Make sure you drop below in the description box. Click on my Linktree link so you can follow me on all social media platforms. Also, make sure you click on the link that I'm going to put how to get to product to. I'm going to see if they have a referral where I can send you a project or an assignment to do. If not, it'll be a direct link over to product to, but I'm going to look and send an email to the last person that reviewed my last video to see if they have a referral link that can give you any open assignments that they have right now where they need people to do any projects. So let me see what I come up with in the next couple hours, and this video will be uploaded for you to keep to click on, download it to your phone and get reviewing. Okay, have a great day, and I'll see you later on this week. Bye bye.